Bringing a delicious and easy cookie recipe to life in your own kitchen would be great. Well, here at Acai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with lemon shortbread cookies. So let's get started. Let's prepare the wet ingredients. Butter makes everything taste good. Did you know that shortbread originated in Scotland during the 12th century and was originally flavored with caraway seeds? Now for the dry ingredients. Let's build the cookies. Set your timer for 15 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Lemons are a hybrid of two other citrus species, citron and bitter orange. This hybridization likely occurred in northeast India sometime around 1st millennium BCE. Christopher Columbus brought lemon seeds to the New World in 1493, planting them in Hispaniola. Commercial lemon cultivation in the United States began in the early 1700s, especially in California. By the 19th century, lemons were grown at scale in California and, of course, Florida, becoming the everyday fruit we know today. Those look great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. These lemon shortbread cookies are bright, buttery, and irresistibly zesty. The lemon juice and the lemon zest really enhance the flavor of these cookies perfectly. This recipe is simple and uses everyday ingredients we have at home. You and your guests will absolutely enjoy them. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a delicious and easy cookie recipe. Stay with us, watch the next videos.